And today I'm laughing the clouds away. I hear what the flowers say, and I drink every drop of rain. And I see places that I have been, in ways that I've never seen. The side of the grass is green. Oh, I can't believe that it's so simple. It feels so natural to me.